Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about will AI agents replace human consumers as the main target for brands. Let's get into it. AI is reshaping e-commerce in ways that were almost unimaginable a few years ago. Every aspect of the customer journey is being influenced, and one of the biggest shifts happening right now is the rise of AI shopping agents. These agents aren't just assisting customers with research, they are actively making purchasing decisions and even completing transactions. For example, tools like ChatGPT now allow users to search for products, compare options, and directly purchase items through integrated shopping buttons. Perplexity, another advanced AI tool, takes this even further by offering a complete in-app shopping experience where the AI agent can handle the entire checkout process. This changes the nature of e-commerce entirely. Instead of optimizing solely for human shoppers, brands are now beginning to consider how their products are presented, referenced, and prioritized by AI agents. Essentially, the AI itself becomes the consumer, or at least the gatekeeper to the consumer. At the moment, adoption is still limited. Most consumers continue to shop manually, but as with most new technologies, early adoption starts slow before reaching mass scale. The trajectory suggests that AI-driven shopping will become one of the dominant forces in e-commerce within the next few years. The reason this is so impactful comes down to how AI decides which products to recommend. Just like search engines, AI platforms rely on data, authority, and references. New tools are even tracking AI citations, showing which brands are being referenced most frequently by systems like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google's AI. Brands that fail to establish visibility in these systems risk being left behind. Currently, large established brands are the most likely to be recommended by AI agents. They already have the SEO strength, the digital authority, and the recognition. Smaller or emerging brands, on the other hand, may find it much harder to break into those AI-generated recommendations without a deliberate strategy. Amazon itself is also moving aggressively in this direction. The platform is now testing features that allow consumers to shop directly from DTC brand websites through Amazon's own system, even if the brand doesn't sell on Amazon. This means Amazon can essentially control the buying process for products across the web, regardless of the brand's intentions. In this new model, brands must either actively manage their Amazon presence or risk having it managed for them. It's important to note that not all AI shopping assistants are equal. Amazon's AI assistant, Rufus, for instance, currently operates more like a basic chatbot and lacks the advanced shopping functionality seen in other tools. But Amazon's influence and scale give it a unique advantage. Even if its AI isn't the most advanced today, its integration across the platform ensures widespread adoption when features are rolled out more broadly. For brands, the next steps are clear. Content strategies must evolve to be AI forward, ensuring that products and websites are positioned for inclusion in AI recommendations. Blogs, resources, and product guides tailored for AI indexing can make a significant difference. At the same time, establishing control over Amazon presence has become non-negotiable. The pace of these changes suggests that AI-driven shopping will soon be the standard, not the exception. Brands that act early and adapt to this new ecosystem will be positioned to thrive, while those that wait may find themselves excluded from the very platforms consumers and their AI agents are using to make purchasing decisions. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.